What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a sound test with all of our vehicles. First up, we got the Yamaha 110 Raptor. This is probably my favorite vehicle. Fortunately, the pink one isn't working. We couldn't get it started, so we're just going to do this. All right, start it. Next, the Telmotor Bull 200 quad. This thing's huge, but I like this one too. Now, Eric's gonna do the dirt bike.
Alright, that's it for the Rev video. Like if you like the video.
New video coming soon today, right?
Yep.
All right.
See you at the track.